Hi there, everybody. Hey, welcome back again to another video. Today, this is Marybeth Angelelli, and I'm excited because we're going to be talking more about this Craigslist autoresponder tool that you can gain access to help you to generate more traffic and leads for whatever business it is that you have, the business of your choice, especially right now as we head into the busy season in this wonderful home-based business industry that I have been part of now for several years. I always get asked about marketing and how do I generate traffic and leads. Well, this is one way that I do it, and I do it very successfully. And it's all because of this accessibility within the mastery level of Get Fearless Freedom. This Craigslist autoresponder tool right here, okay? So when you join Get Fearless Freedom at the $500 level, you also will gain access to the Craigslist auto reply software that you can use to post ads up on Craigslist for the business of your choice. And you can also resell it and earn yourself some very nice $500 commissions, where you get to keep 100% of the commission on every single mastery level sale. So this has been a wonderful opportunity I have been part of now for the past 4 years. Where we're located right now is the back office of my Get Fearless Freedom. So we're just going to be honing in for the purpose of today's video on this particular feature, the Craigslist autoresponder. So once you join, okay, you're going to be able to log in, and in order to learn how to utilize it, what you'll want to do, it's really easy. You're just simply going to watch this video. It's a step-by-step video training tutorial comprised of the Craigslist follow-up system, okay? It's going to show you how to use Craigslist for inexpensive marketing. So you'll watch this video. You're going to learn how to make full use of Craigslist as a marketing avenue that really works. And it really does. I'm going to share with you an example of a recent ad that I just posted, okay, and the flow of using this tool. Now, it's very easy. It comes with a set of instructions, step by step. And what you want to do before you do anything at all, before you post up any ads on Craigslist.org, you want to read all of these instructions, okay? Very, very important. Read all of these instructions before doing anything. And there's only 6 steps. They're very easy. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay? And then what you'll do is you'll plug in an email address that you want to utilize to receive all of your replies that you're going to be receiving from your Craigslist ads. Okay? So that's the email that goes in here. All right. And then you will type out your auto response message. And this is what puts this particular process on autopilot, because you will never have to manually respond and reply back to those who are seeking out information from you from your Craigslist ads. Okay. So you type this out. It's literally set and forget. Okay. And then you make the link clickable to the website that you want your leads to click on to get more information. In my case, it's Get Fearless Freedom, okay? And I'm going to share with you exactly what that website looks like, which now all of my marketing is going to be specific, targeted, and congruent for Craigslist for this specific tool, okay? So this is going to enable me to get my Craigslist postings out there in the cities of my choice, and also be able to share this with others and generate myself $500 commissions over and over again. So there's the auto response message. And then once you type that in, you just simply click on Submit Craigslist Follow-up. Okay? And then you go on over to Craigslist.org and you post your ad. Okay? So we're going to go over here, and I'm just going to show you a live ad that I recently put up. Okay? Just a short time ago, okay? So this is Craigslist.org, and this is, my account, and we are posting in the services section, and we're making really good utilization out of the small biz ads. What this is allowing us to do is get our ad in front of tons of people, folks. You see millions of people flock to this very site every single day of the week, folks, okay? It's a very high traffic site. It produces great high quality leads. So this is somewhere that you want to acquire a presence and advertise, especially $5, incredible ROI, because that $5 ad will go up with the simple use and ease of this software. $5 an entire month, 30 days, folks, okay? So let's look at the small biz ads section, okay, of New York. This is a great place to get your ads posted. I absolutely love it. And here's my ad right here. Earn $500 for selling Craigslist software. So this is very specific to the mastery level Craigslist software, okay? And this is exactly what I'm posting on, okay, for Get Fearless Freedom. So you click on it. Here's my title right here. Here's an image that works very, very well. And here is my ad right here. And I have my call to action built into my ad to please hit reply to this, and we will send you a website with complete details immediately. So it's very, very easy. My ad is right here. My image is here. And this particular ad, or an ad of similar nature, works very, very well, okay? It's just a very smooth process, okay? And it's very simple, and people are loving it. This is a highly sought after tool, this $500 Craigslist AI software, okay? So if somebody sees this, what they do is they hit reply, okay? And they click on email. This is how easy it is. Really, really easy. They click on whatever email they have, okay? And they just go in here and they will type in, please send me more information, okay? And then they hit the send button, alrighty? They hit the send button, and then they are going to receive my Craigslist auto response message, okay? To this very ad right here, alrighty? And then they're going to be able to go to my website, okay? Okay, and this is the website that I have designed specifically to be able to respond to all of my inquiries. And it's very specific, it's very targeted, and it's very congruent to my Craigslist ads. And that's exactly what you want for the best results, especially as we're going to be moving into a very busy season. We want to absolutely be ready. This is going to enable that and make it possible for us, okay? So with that being said, folks, all you have to do if you're replying to one of my ads is just to enter your best email address. Or if you want to get more information on this, okay, I'm going to drop the link below, bestwaytoprofits.com. This is an excellent way to profit using this tool, okay? bestwaytoprofits.com. It will be below in the description, all right? And then all we have to do is enter your email address, and this is where you're going to be redirected to a new bridge page that I recently put up and created. And you can see, folks, we're able to create up to 5 bridge pages, unlimited lead capture pages that convert very, very well. That's another aspect of this amazing complete marketing system. You will have the ability to create and customize and have fun doing it like I do all week long. Your own customizable, brandable capture pages and bridge pages. So here's mine right here. Craigslist software puts $500 in your pocket over and over. Done for you software closes your sales. Okay? It largely automates the process. This is a picture of me and my beloved pooch, and this is my little verbiage that I have on my bridge page. So I give 3 simple steps. Create an account. You click here and you go right to the sales page, my sales page. We're about to have a brand new VSL uploaded into these pages, so stay tuned. As soon as that releases and goes live, of course, I'll be back making a big, major announcement, okay? It's really easy to get started. Just click on the Join Here button, and this will allow you to review all 3 product package levels, okay? Which we have 3 of them. I just recommend getting in where you fit in, because you can always upgrade, by only paying the difference. We've got our Fearless level 200, our Mastery level 500, which traditionally has been our sweet spot because of our highly sought after Craigslist software autoresponder tool. And then, of course, the new Supreme Freedom level, which, by the way, is being completely revamped and updated and upgraded. So definitely stay tuned for that. I am super excited, and I'll be definitely coming in and making a major announcement very soon on this. Okay, I could not be more excited. And then, of course, we have our unique one-of-a-kind done-for-you emailing portal, which again further automates our marketing efforts. You can watch this little video right here. Everybody wants a bonus. This is another very high converting simple capture page that we give away as a bonus. And we also have a wonderful grouping of testimonials here that I encourage you to definitely check out. Okay, so again, we are going to come right back here, right back to the bridge page, okay, that I have created specifically and exclusively for the Craigslist software. Okay, so there it is right here. Step 1, create your account, get your marketing system, which redirects to the very same page. And then step 3, put this system into action with this one-of-a-kind Craigslist auto reply software and start collecting your $500 over and over again. So someone can come here, review this, follow step 1, 2, and 3, very, very easy. And I give a simple call to action to click the button below and watch the new 7-minute video, which is forthcoming very, very soon. Okay, so someone goes here, they have to click on the button, okay, and they go here, they watch this video. And that's it. Very, very simple. Okay, it's a very simple process, folks, using a wonderful automated tool. Okay, so let's see. We come here, and this is what somebody's going to receive. I just want to demo this to you. Okay, this is exactly what my responder tool, how it replies back when someone hits the reply button. This is what they're going to be getting. See, your information from my Craigslist postings. I did this to show you as a demo. See, here it is. Hello, this is Marybeth Angelelli, and I appreciate you replying to my ad today. Did you know that Craigslist gets 10 million unique visitors per day? Did you also know that you can earn $500 reselling to those that want an automated system like this to collect leads to their business? Folks, everybody needs leads. It's the lifeblood of every business out there, and this is one way that you can generate leads on a consistent daily basis and build your email list. Because remember, the money's on the list, the fortune's in the follow-up. Test this out for yourself here. And then what they do is, this is clickable. Please click here for our 7-minute video today. So they click here, and they are redirected right to this new capture page that I just recently created to be able to expand my marketing efforts in this busy season, folks. Why aren't you earning on Craigslist? Earn $500 by reselling the hottest software on Craigslist. Email address, and it's going to go right here, folks. As soon as they enter that email address, they're going to be taken to my new bridge page where they can review everything and then come here, click to the sales page. So this is the simple flow of another successful sales funnel, very much in the works and in the making, folks. And I am so excited to share this with you. And you can have a system just like this. You can have pages just like this, and you too can go on to get great results and generate yourself $500 commissions over and over again by using this tool and using this specific platform to advertise. Craigslist.org. Nothing quite like it, folks. Using this one-of-a-kind, unique tool. Craigslist AI software that nobody out there in the marketplace has. People are loving it. I know you're going to love it. Let's get you going. Let's get you started today. Any questions, text or call me. My contact information is below. Head on into my website. Okay. Go over to bestwaytoprofits.com, and I'll see you inside soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.